Order of operations. Well, let's define what order means.
The place and something goes.
The place and something goes.
The way something's lined up.
The way something's lined up. Sequence.
Of events.
Placement.
Placement. Well, I'm going to go with sequence. Order in mathematics in a certain, and I'm going to abbreviate it. Can y'all understand what that means? SEQ? Sequence. That's too long a word. We're just going to write it like that. It's got to be in a certain sequence or you get the wrong solution. You got to do it a certain way. We can't use the word order in the definition of order. Yeah, you can't do that. It's got to be in a certain sequence. We have to work the problem in a certain sequence or we're going to get the wrong solution. Will we get a solution? Yes, but it might be wrong if you do the wrong order, if you do the wrong sequence. So don't say, well, I got an answer. Well, yeah, you did. And you will get an answer even though you did it wrong. Okay? So you must do it in the correct sequence or you will get a wrong solution. All righty? The next one is operation. Now, are we talking about a hernia operation where you go to the doctor, he cuts you open and he sews up the hole you got in your gut? No, we're not talking about that kind of operation. We're talking about a mathematical operation. Operation is a math. No, I'm just putting math, it's too long. A math what? Oh, I can't use the word operation.
Procedure.
Ooh, look at that word. Spell it.
I think that's it.
Procedure. E-double-E-D-U-R-E.
That's 20. I had 20.
20. It looks like a weirdo, doesn't it? Procedure. All right. A procedure. A math procedure is a math operation. And what are the math operations, y'all? Addition. Subtraction. Division. Multiplication. Exponents.
The little
Excess.
Etc., etc., etc. There are many others. There's square roots. There's other things, cube roots, and there's other things, but we're not going to go there. We're just worried about these. These are the math procedures. So you put this together in what we're doing today. You've already seen over here this long mathematical sentence, a mathematical sentence. We must work that in a specific sequence doing the adds, subtracts, multiplies, divides, and exponents, etc., etc. We must use the correct sequence of these things in this problem to get the correct solution. Toye? Toye. So, we need to know what that certain sequence is, correct? So, alright, here is going to be the correct order, the correct sequence we have to work these long mathematical sentences in. And I use, and most mathematicians use, this acronym, PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Sort of like the TAKS test is an acronym for the Texas Assessment of Knowledge and Skills, TAKS. we have an acronym, PEMDAS. And that is the order. Each letter represents some mathematical procedure. Y'all have seen this before, I think, maybe in the 5th grade. If not, you're going to see it now. So, the first one is the P. First, the P stands for?
Yes.
Nope.
Procedure. Parent.
I can't even spell it. How you spell parentheses?
Oh.
I don't know.
Princess.
Let's look it up. Somebody look it up.
It's
Tell me how to spell that.
P-A-R-E-N-T-H-E-S-I-S.
What?
P-A-R-E.
P-A-R-E.
She's
N.
one spelling.
N.
T-H-E-S.
Oh man.
Woo! Look at that girl go.
Yeah.
Parenthesis. Boy, howdy. Teacher goes brain dead. Here comes Grace. Good job, girlfriend. Oh, you just made somebody sick jangling that around. Quit moving it, Holmes. Steady. Steady. Parentheses go first. Work what is inside first. Has everybody got that?
Yep.
Hold on, quit doing that, dude. Do it quietly, please. Work what is inside the parentheses first. Now, folks, if there's no parentheses, do you have to do it?
No.
You go to the second step, right? So we write down here second. What's the second letter in our acronym?
E.
E.
Expo.
Woohoo! I'm just going to say expose because it's hard to write that long word again.
So we're not really figuring these out. We're just placing them in.
No. We're going to figure it out, dude.
Okay.
We're going to actually, when we start doing this in a minute, we're going to look for parentheses. If there's one is, we're going to work the math inside of it.
Okay.
We're going to write stuff down. Then we're going to go find the exponents. We're going to do those. Write this stuff down. Blah, 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 blah. Okay?
Huh?
You ready? All right. Any parentheses?
Yes.
Yes. Hey, you're bouncing, dude. You're making people sick. Hold it steady. So, what's 9 minus 7?
2.
Do y'all agree it's 2?
Yes.
So we write down 2. We're working this one as we go, y'all. Working this one as we go. We still have 48. We still have divide. We still have 2 to the 3rd power. We still have plus. We still have 25. We still have times. We now no longer have parentheses because we went 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay? Everybody with me what we just did? We did step 1. You with me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, now we've done the parentheses, exponents. So, second thing we do, work out expose. Work out exponents. So, right up here, we got 2 to the 3rd power. What does that mean? 2 times 2 times 2. See how unit 2, if you don't know exponents, this will mess you up. If you go 2 times 3, you are wrong. No, never, ever, never multiply the base times the exponent. The exponent tells me how many bases to write down to multiply. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Times 2?
8.
8. Write down the 8. We still have 48. We still have divide. we still have plus, we still have 25, we still have times, and now we still have 2 out there. See how we're doing it step by step.
Yes, sir.
Do you notice that the fat math teacher, who's been doing math for 45 years, is not combining steps, is he? He's doing them one at a time. So don't think that you're all smarty britches and you can go, well, I can get 3 of those steps done at the same time. Oh, go ahead. But I'm 99% sure you're going to get the wrong solution if you try to combine and do 2 or 3 steps at the same time. All right, we've done the exponent. What's the next letter? An M. Mult. Work. Multiplications. Work multiplications. If there is any. Work multiplications. Is there a multiplication in here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But, y'all, here's the little kicker on this.
They're not separate steps.
All right, come on. Notice what I did. I have put our third step is the multiplies and the divides. The MDs go together. So over on my acronym, I circled, this is Coach Jordan method, all right, to help me remember. The MDs go together. As I'm reading my math sentence from left to right, if I see a multiply or a divide, I stop and work it. Step 3 are interchangeable. If you see a divide first, do it. If you see a multiply first, do it. In step 3. Okay? Notice I've done 2 other steps before I ever got to this one. Don't jump straight to step 3. You got to do 1 and 2, then go to 3. Everybody with me now? Step 3. So as I'm reading along what I have right now, do you see a multiply or divide? Okay, here we go.
Divide.
Boom, right there. So I stop right now, and let's do this one. What's 48 divided by 8?
6.
So I write down a 6, okay? Now remember, third steps, third step is 2 things. So I keep going to see if there's anything else I can do. Boom. All right, 25 times 2.
50.
50.
Nope.
There's nothing else out there. Okay? So, this is now gone. It turned into that. I still have a plus. This is gone because it turned into 50. Okay? All right, that was third step. Fourth step. A means add, addition. I'm going to shorten it. But if we did something to M and D, what do you think? You got this on there, buddy? It's on there? All right, good. Oh, who we got? Okay.
There.
All right, good job.
Subtract.
Oh.
Solution.
Subtract. least to greatest. Do in order L to R. So the A and the S in our acronym goes together. So, as I'm traveling left to right, if I see a subtract, I'm going to stop and do it. If I see an add, I'm going to stop and do it before I keep going. Is everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
So, here's what we got left. 6 plus 50. That's all. So, can we go 6 plus 50?
Yes.
What we get?
56.
There we go. And there we go.
Okay, what does L to R?
Left to right.
Left to right. Notice, every time I've been working this, I start on the left like I'm reading a sentence. Left to right. Do not go this direction, y'all, ever, working mathematics. Never work that way. You must work this way, here in the United States of Texas. Okay? In China, they work them up and down. That's all. We're not in China. Thank you very much. All right. Looked kind of hard.
It actually made it easier though.
Made it pretty easy because I broke it down step by step by step. Okay, here's a little shorter one. Here's a little shorter one. Everybody got it written down? Let's try it. Here we go. All right, step 1. Parentheses.
Yes.
Oh, there is one. All right, what is 9 minus 4?
5.
5. Good job. Any more parentheses?
No.
I don't see any more. I still have minus. I still have 6. I still have times. I still have 5. What? No, I'm just putting stuff down. I'm not working it right to left. I'm putting stuff down. I say when you work it, don't do it that way. I'm just writing stuff I got left still to work. Okay? But from now on, to keep you from being confused, I'll do it the other way. Okay? All right. So let's go to exponents.
Nope.
No exponents. So we don't do a step 2. Let's go on to step 3, which is find the what? Multiplies and the divides. So here we go. Oop, there's a multiply. Let's stop and do it. 5 times 6?
30.
30. All right. Any more multiplies and divides?
No, sir.
Nope. So those are gone now because they turned into that. I still have a minus and I still have a 5. No more multiplies and divides. Let's go to step 4, which is look for adds and subtracts. I have a subtract. 30 minus 5.
25.
25. What do y'all think?
Pretty easy.
Like this? But do you notice? The old man goes step by step, slow by slow by slow. I don't get in a hurry, because when I get in a hurry, I'll start combining stuff. And the only thing we can combine is when we get to step 3. We do multiplies or divides however we see them as we're going left to right. And then I can combine add and subtracts as I'm going left to right.
That's band.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're watching a movie or something. Next door.
That's
Okay.
band.
Whew, scared me. All right. So, gently walk over there and stand by the box there, Holmes, so you can do this. Don't bounce it around. Be gentle. There you go. How does this play in word problems? Well, it's like this. A lot of times, I've seen it asking questions like going to the concession stand. We bought 5 Cokes, 4 popcorns, and 2 pickles. And each one's a different price, right? And they want to know how much did I have to spend. A lot of this is common sense, isn't it?
Yeah.
Y'all go to the movie, y'all go to the concession stand, y'all probably do some figuring. Well, this is multiple order of operations here. At the theater, adults cost $7. Kids cost $5. Seniors cost $5.50. My family went to see Dolphin Tale, and there were 2 seniors, 5 adults, and 6 kids. How much did it cost my family to go see the movie? Well, let's first write a long mathematical sentence that explains it. We're all going together. My granddad is, or my dad, who's my kid's granddad, is going to pay for it. So one person is paying for it. We need to figure out how much it's going to be. Make sure we got enough money. Ty. So, Ty, what we got?
We have,
$7, right?
yes,
Okay, who's $7?
the adults, and there's 5 of them.
There's 5 of them. So, do I put down 7, 7, 7, 7? Or can I do an easy way? 7, no.
Times.
$7 times 5 people. Now, is that the only people going, or are there more people? So we got to add to it, don't we? All right. What's the next one? The kids, $5.
There's 6 of them.
And how many kids are going?
6.
6. So that's $5 times 6 kids. Is that all that's going?
No.
Nope.
2,
Plus
550.
Grandma and Grandpa. All righty. And how much were they? $5.50 times how many people? 2. Now, do you see an order of operations problem? I don't add the 5 plus the $5, do I, to start with? Do I? Do I add this 5 with this $5?
No.
No.
They're all their own separate.
This is a separate set of people. This is a separate set of people. Separate set of people. That's why we have to do the multiplying before we do the adding. Right? All right. So, how much is it costing $7 times 5 people?
Wait, you're not doing your steps.
$35.
All right. What now?
You're not doing your steps.
All right. Step 1, parentheses.
There's no parentheses.
No parentheses. Step 2, any exponent?
No.
No. Step 3, which is multiplies and divides.
Yes.
Bunch of multiplies. Okay? Now let's go. Good job. Make me do my steps. Very good. 7 times 5.
35.
$35. Can I leave out the .00?
Yes.
Make this easier, please. All right. All right.
Plus.
$5 times 6 people. $30. $5.50 times 2 people.
11.
$11. Do we all agree? If we don't know, what do we do? Go off to the side and do this right here, don't we? Agree?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Or you could add 550 and 550 for 2 people and do addition. Okay. I still have plus. I still have plus. What's 35 plus 30? Pardon me. My next step is add and subtract. And I've got some adds. Left to right. 35 plus 30? 65 plus 11. My dad has to pay $76 to get us in to see the movie. Yikes. And that's before we get the popcorn and the Cokes and the pickles. Kill it, sir.